As in the previous videos of the Infibeam stock analysis, the candle has been not formed. This candle you can see, but I made the latest analysis only. But in the chart, the candle was not formed. That means not yet updated. So we will analysis again clearly. So today we are going to analysis Infibeam our news. Okay, this is the chart pattern of Infibeam our news. Here each candle represents one day. Okay, these are the patterns. Okay, these are the support and resistance. Okay, horizontal, and this also long term. You can see previous here support. Okay, from the data, previously data price action. Okay, here you can see now the stock is at 50.15 price. Okay, latest price close. Okay, and if this breaks this level, you can see the blue line here 53.25. Okay, if this breaks and closes above this level, daily candle closes above this level. Okay, then we can expect a up movement of 9.48% upside from after this breakout. Okay, this line blue line breakout, that is 53.25 above. If the daily candle closes above this, okay, we can expect 9.48% up movement, that is approximately 5 rupees or 4.6 rupees, approximately 5 rupees. Okay, the price can vary. Okay, based on this indicator. Okay, here the closing of the candle mostly depends. Okay, based on the places of that candle closes above this area, we can see the targets. Okay, and this is the target of, you can see, after breaking of this line, blue line 53.25 above, closing of daily candle takes place, then the stock can go up to, you can see the price green color here 57.95, that is approximately 8.83% up movement in this stock. Okay, and this is the red line, also a resistance of previous, that is at 56. So here the price may varies. Okay, something fluctuations may happen due to the sellers may get in charge. Okay, a selling movement can take place at this moment. Okay, if this breaks, then stock can easily go upside up to 59.30. Okay, this target can be achieved after the breaking of these levels. Okay, after breaking these levels, up movement of, you can see, 8.83%. Okay, after breaking this pattern, this line 59.30, the next resistance is at 62.15. Okay, after breaking 62.15 resistance, then it will go up to 68.35. Okay, resistance and support. Resistance plays opposition role and support plays supporting role. Okay, as here you can see, after breaking this resistance, the candle formed above daily candle. You can see here this candle plays a support zone. Now after breaking resistance will become support. Okay, here will support now. Okay, and here this candle, you can see here three candles bearish. The stock can go up to this price approximately 48.45 rupees low, nearly. We can expect a 48.45 rupees low. Okay, stock can go up to here. If this breaks downside, okay, if this break downside, the same target, that is 4.60 rupees downside, guys. Okay, 4.60 downside. I will show you. Wait. Here you can see this is the downside targets. This is the just prediction, guys. Okay, just a prediction. Okay, if this breaks above this blue line upside up to 57.95, here the price may fluctuate at this 56.10 rupees. Okay, from here, if this breaks this support 48.60, then the stock can go up to here 43, 43.95 approximately. Chances are there. Okay, big movement can take place downside also, or else here only it may bounce back. Here also it can bounce back again at this level 45.45. Okay, bounce back happens like this. You can see here on this trend line, like this, take supports and again bounce back upside. Okay, here also can. Okay, this can go down also here up to here also. This can be achieved if this breaks easily, I think so. Mostly my chances are there, probability is there. Okay, these are the supports and resistance below. Okay, this is the support 45.35. After breaking this is the support. After breaking this is the support. Trend line is the support for all levels. Okay, and this is the last support, and this is the last support. Okay, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. Okay, support and resistance. You can see targets once again 57 upside, and the downside 44, 43.85, 44, approximately 44 downside, and upside 57.95. After breaking this you can go upside 53.30 after breaking 53.30, and downside after breaking 48.45 something, 48.70 below. Closes, daily candle closes. Okay, this is the analysis of the Infibeam hour news. Okay, you can see lines, these blue lines are made based on the previous resistance and support levels. Okay, you can see clearly. Okay, it's over, guys.